it's Michael Beach and Izzy with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We want to talk to you today about emotional intelligence again. One of the things that we want to encourage you to do is to think about feedback. Feedback is really, really valuable in that it helps you to develop empathy. When you ask the right questions and you listen to the answers that you get to those questions, you're going to learn quite a bit. You can ask questions of your employees, you can ask questions of your prospects, you can ask questions of your channel partners, you can ask questions of your customers. And if you've worked hard to build the right kind of relationship, these individuals will often give you the information you need to become better. Just getting the information isn't the whole benefit from this though. Once you get the information, you got to put it to good use. So 1, ask good questions. 2, listen carefully to the feedback that your constituents give to you. And then number 3, put it in the old noodle and think it through and put it to good use, good work. That's the news from Prior Lake, Minnesota today. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. See you next time.